In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in a rich text module in HubSpot. Let's start inside the HubSpot content editor with the page or email you want to work on already open. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Look for the small plus icon there. This is what you'll use to open the modules panel, which contains all the different types of content blocks you can add. Click the plus icon to open that panel. At the top, you'll see a search bar. In this search bar, type rich text. HubSpot will filter the list and show you the rich text module. Once you see it, click and drag that rich text module onto your content area and drop it exactly where you want the table to appear. Take a moment to position it carefully so the layout of your page or email looks the way you expect. Now, look back over to the left panel. You'll see a text field for the rich text module, along with a formatting toolbar at the top of that field. Sometimes HubSpot adds placeholder or sample text here. If you see any, just select it and delete it so you're working with a blank space. With your cursor inside that empty text field, move up to the toolbar. You'll find a menu option labeled Insert. Click on Insert, and from the drop-down menu, hover over the option that says Table. When you hover there, a small grid will appear, allowing you to choose how many rows and columns you want. Move your mouse across the grid to select the size of your table, then click to insert it. You'll see your table appear in the text field. At this point, your table might not have visible borders, which can make it hard to see where each cell is. To fix this, highlight the entire table by clicking and dragging across it. Once it's all selected, look again at the toolbar above the text field and scroll to the right until you see an option labeled Style. Click on Style, and a small drop-down will appear with different styling controls. Find the setting for border width and increase the value. As you adjust it, you'll see the table borders become visible, making your rows and columns much clearer. You can now type your content into each cell, adjust column widths if needed, and format the text as you normally would. And that's it. You've successfully inserted and styled a table inside a rich text module in HubSpot.